Hey, it's James Carter, and on behalf of Richard and Simon, I'd like to share something amazing with you today. See, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why Smart Block Networks is the most powerful software platform you will ever see when it comes to building powerful, personal block networks. Plain and simple, if you want to dominate the search engines, you need to have your very own personal block networks that lets you generate more links to boost your money sites and make profits. But there are a few problems. See, when you build your personal block networks, you definitely don't want to come across as being spammy. And you also don't want to have to spend a ton of hours managing every single PBN, right? And finally, you absolutely don't want to spend a ton of time trying to build every single personal block network. Yeah, I know, it's a total pain in the butt. But what if I told you that building and managing your personal block networks can now be easier and quicker than ever before? Introducing Smart Block Networks, the all-in-one easy management system that allows you to manage your personal block network sites all from one easy-to-use dashboard. With Smart Block Networks, you'll never have to worry about spending tons of tedious hours trying to manage all your web properties. And the best part? Smart Block Networks can handle all the growth you throw at it. Here, let me show you a quick demo of how it works. So once you've logged into your dashboard, this is what you'll see, and over here to the left hand side is where you can access all the tools depending on your level of purchase with Smart Block Networks. So if we wanted to know the details about a domain, where it stands, we will put that information right in here where it says domain name. Now we can choose the database to search from. Right here we can choose the US, the UK, and also let Smart Block Networks know whether WordPress is installed and also the search by keyword. And once we've done so, all we have to do is click on Add Domain. So I've gone ahead and I've added some domains, as you can see right here. Now right below we can choose any period of time, just like this, or a custom period of time, and we can click on Create Graph, and Smart Block Networks will show us over a period of time the backlinks and also the domain authority. So once you've added a domain, you'll see all of the details right up here: the domain authority, page authority, the Moz Trust, Moz Rank, the keywords, whether or not WordPress is installed, the amount of backlinks. So if we click on backlinks just like that, it will pull up the backlinks for that particular blog. And also, if you want to start over, you can delete it, or you can choose to edit it just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose for this domain, and now it'll take us to the Smart Content tab. Well, this is where we can add content to those blogs or those sites. So if we had categories, it would show up here, but in this case we just have related keywords. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Opportunity, and now we can add content to those sites using Smart Block Networks. Now here's the cool thing: this content is going to be pulled up for you and you can choose to spin it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose to spin this article just like that. And now if I choose I want to use article, I can click on that, and now a full WordPress editor will come up and we can edit that article if we want to. Now here's something cool. We didn't have any categories before, but now Smart Block Networks will bring back related keywords for the main keyword that we chose earlier. So if we click on any of these keywords, I'll click on Opportunities, you can see it will bring back the detailed keyword along with the search volume, the cost per click, and the level of competition. We can choose to add it to a tag, to a post, or link to a post on the site if there were posts in this area. So I'm going to click on Cancel. And now if we come down here, we can choose to schedule it for later or post it directly to the blog. And we can also choose to ping this post or index this post. So let's go over here to the Smart Domain Finder. And now we can use Smart Block Networks to find any domain related to any keyword that we put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a keyword phrase in here, and then I'll choose my database and then click on search. Now Smart Block Networks will go out and find all of that information we need for any keywords that's a possibility for a domain that we want to register. So if we come over here and click on Optimize, we can choose Optimize Selected Keywords, or we can save it to a CSV, but I'll go ahead and click on this one. And now we'll be able to see whether or not the domain is available in any of the extensions, or we can choose to buy it if it is available and automatically add it to our smart network. Okay, finally, let's go over to the Smart Silo option. And now we can choose to build our site and structure it so that we get great SEO, which results in traffic. So we can choose a domain just like that, and then choose a keyword to add in the main post title. So I'm going to choose healthy eating again, and then select the database like we did before, then click on search. Alright, and now we can choose any of these keywords related in the category, and we get all of the data as you see right here, all of the search volume, the cost per click, the competition, the number of results, and the trends as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to optimize a few of these, and then click on build your silo structure. Alright, so here is the main article that's going to be posted to our site, and now we can build a silo to point to this article. So I'll go ahead and click on this one, this keyword, healthy recipes, and now here's an article that's been spun for us, as well as this one up here, and I can choose to edit it if I want to, or here's something really cool. I can choose a keyword in here and type it in here, then click on search keyword, and now as you can see, that keyword is going to be hyperlinked automatically to the main article. We can also choose to ping the post, index the post, or we can choose schedule to post it later so you can drip content to your site. Once you're done, you just click on build your silo structure and you're good to go. So as you can see, Smart Block Networks is the go-to solution for managing and building all of your personal blog networks. And with incredible features that track domain authority, page rank, backlinks shown via graph, posting, scheduled posting, domain categories, and domain keywords, you'll never waste time again building valuable networks that help rank your sites and bring in the dough. And don't forget the Smart Content Finder, which helps match the correct content to the keywords you target. Also, you'll love the Smart Silo Builder option that helps you build your sites the right way for the search engines, as well as the Smart Domain Finder that lets you search for keyword-rich domains with low competition that you can snatch for pennies on the dollar. To have all of these tools in one place, along with the ease of use, could easily run you upwards of a few hundred smackaroos per month. But for this special launch offer, you won't pay anywhere close to that. That's right. For a limited time, you can grab Smart Block Networks for only a fraction of the price and be on your way to building profitable sites in the next 5 minutes. So here's what you need to do next. Scroll down and use the option on this page to claim your copy of Smart Block Networks now. And don't forget, during this limited time special offer with this special pricing, you'll never have to pay a monthly fee, and you'll also be protected by our 100% money back guarantee. With the easy to use dashboard and powerful benefits of Smart Block Networks, it just makes sense to get on board during this incredibly low pricing period. So go ahead and get access now and be on your way to ranking profitable sites with ease.